To download your free copy of Kurzweil, go to the following address. Make sure you download the correct version of Kurzweil, the subscription web license version. Once the file finishes downloading, open it and begin the installation process. The installation will take some time and your computer will need to reboot. When it gets to the end of the process, make sure you click Install Web License Software. You will need to accept the license agreement in order to continue. When the installation is complete, click Finish and click Yes to restart your system.